5,000 years ago, we thought they were outdated. But what if the ancients had machines that outpaced our ideas of ancient? Today, we open a door into those stories. Vimanas, the flying chariots of Sanskrit epics. Were they mythic poetry, religious symbolism, or descriptions of real, advanced flying machines whose science we've since lost? Let's find out. The Vaimanika Shastra. It's a dramatic manuscript, full of designs, diagrams, and engines. One chapter even describing a mercury vortex propulsion system. Modern scholarship says the text as we have it is not an unbroken antique. It was recorded in the early 20th century, and a detailed engineering review in 1974 found the aircraft designs aerodynamically impossible as written. So, are these genuine fossilized secrets of lost technology? Or a spirited, modern reimagining of ancient lore? Still, the Mercury idea refuses to let go. The Vaimanika accounts describe engines where molten mercury is spun, ionized and guided by electromagnetic yantras, creating a vortex that supposedly cancels weight and pushes the craft through the air. Scientists today treat that idea skeptically, but there are echoes in history. NASA's early space electric tests did, in fact, use mercury-ion engines in the 1960s before switching to xenon. Conspiracy draws a shadow across this story. In 20th century rumor lore, the Nazis allegedly experimented with a device called Die Glocke. The bell, described as rotating cylinders and a strange mercury-like substance that some writers linked to anti-gravity or plasma experiments. Is this parallel coincidence, convergent imagination, or a thread connecting secret 20th century experiments to older legends? So, what do we actually have? We have ancient and medieval stories full of tendological imagery. We have a 20th century manuscript that reimagines those images as engineering instructions, and a scientific critique showing those instructions don't stand up to aeronautical analysis. We have intriguing archaeological puzzles, vitrified materials and abrupt destructions that invite investigation, not conclusions. Here are the questions I want you to carry out of this room. If a lost science ever existed, did it vanish because knowledge was suppressed, misread, or simply irreproducible? Could ancient descriptions point us toward forgotten physics? Or will rigorous archaeology and experiment find only metaphor? And crucially, what experiments could we do today, ethically and openly, to test any plausible claims? If the ancients ever flew, did they leave instructions in plain sight that we only now know how to read? Or are we chasing the glamour of a story that looks like science, but reads like myth? Either answer is astonishing. Which will you help discover?